Hello everyone. Okay, kali ni kita akan masuk topik Small Changes Approximation, another subtopic of differentiation by using Flowchart Method. Okay, so now we are going to use class discussion 1. Okay, question: find the small change in y for y equals to 4x cubed minus 2x plus 1 when x decreases from negative 6 to negative 6.12. Okay, so we just follow the flow from step 1 until finish. So step 1, collect the information given. Is it increase? So is it increase according to the question? Okay, it is decrease. So you don't select yes, right? But we color no and answer the question. Decrease, write negative, or we can call it as beware of negative. Okay, step 2, calculate the value of a delta x. What is delta x? Delta x is small change of x. Okay, so it is given that when x decrease from negative 6 to negative 6.12, that means that is the small change of x in x. Okay, small change in x. Okay, so delta x equals to negative 6.12 minus negative 6.00. So you get negative 6.12 plus 6.00. So you get negative 0.12. Okay, this is for value delta x. Next step, step 3, identify the small change. Okay, small change in y. So is it the small change in x? Okay, in x or in y? Alright, so from the question we know, alright, if we select no, okay, so you have to answer the question given. Is it an approximate change in surface area, or is it approximate change in the volume? So if not, jika tidak berkaitan, okay, so we know this is actually a function. Okay, is it small change in x? Yes. Okay, you don't choose no, because kalau choose no, it must be for surface area and volume. Okay, so workout. What is workout here is you find dy dx. Okay, so dy dx, differentiate y respect to x. So you know the function is y equals to 4x cubed minus 2x plus 1, and then when you differentiate dy respect to x, so 12x squared minus 2. Okay, so from here we must know, we must know what is the value of x. Okay, so from here is value of origin of x, okay, actually equals to negative 6. Okay, negative 6, because the small change in x is started from negative 6 to negative 6.12. Okay, so the value of dy dx now equals to 12 times negative 6 minus 2. So we get okay, 72 negative 72 minus 2. So okay, again, okay, negative 12 times 36, so 432 minus 2, so equals to 430. Okay, this is the value of dy dx. And then next step, step 5, determine the small change in y. Okay, so this is the formula, and then this is how you determine, okay, the value of delta y. Okay, so correct. Okay, delta y approximates to dy dx times delta x. So you know now the value of dy dx equals to 430. Okay, and then delta x equals to negative 0.12, and then substitute the value equals to 430 times negative 0.12. So the answer for delta y, sorry, right, times 0.12, so 51.6, but negative. Okay, this is the value of delta y, which is small change in y. Okay, and then furthermore, okay, we want to calculate the value of approximate value of y for y new. Okay, so for y new, okay, equals to, this is the formula. Alright, this is the formula. Y initial plus delta y. Okay, and then so the function 4 times 6, negative 6, power of 3 minus 2 times negative 6 plus 1 plus negative 51.6. Okay, so you calculate, and then you will get the new the value of y new. Okay, so for the second one, class discussion 2, let's continue. Okay, straightforward to the question 2. The radius of a circle increase from 2 to 2.02. Find the small change in the area of the circle. Okay, so we take note that area, formula for area of circle equals to pi r squared. Okay, remember this one. Okay, as usual, collect the information. Okay, is it increase? So increase, yes. Okay, yes, calculate the value delta x, so equals to 2.02 minus 2.00, so the answer is 0.02. Next step, identify the small change. Is it the small change in x? So no, so the answer is no. And then answer the question, the follow question. Is it approximate change in a surface area? Okay, so the answer is yes. You color and then you work out. What is the meaning of workout here? We determine the value of dy dx. Or from here, because of it involves of area of circle, so differentiate the area respect to r or radius. Okay, so you know a equals to pi r squared. Okay, therefore dA differentiate a respect to r, so equals to 2 pi r. And what is the value of x origin? Okay, so x equals to 2, therefore value of dA dr equals to 2 pi times 2 equals to 4 pi. And let the answer in terms of pi. Okay, and then step 5, determine the small change in area. Okay, so this is just the guideline of the formula. So for area, delta A over delta R. Okay, here ada pembetulan sikit. So approximates to dA dr. Okay, therefore delta A equals to dA or dr times delta R. So as you can see, the value of dA dr is 4 pi, and the value delta R is equal to 0.02. Okay, so 4 pi times 0.02, so equals to times 0.142. So the answer is 0.251. Okay, so 251. And furthermore, okay, so area A new for the area of circle equals to pi r is 2 squared plus 0.251. Okay, so equals to 4 pi plus 0.251 equals to 12.819. Alright, so remember, okay, we discuss about small change and approximation by using flowchart method. Is for you to remember step by step, okay, about how to solve the question. Okay, by now, thank you.